guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really good. So in today's video I decided to do another makeup look. This time I decided I was about to do a spring makeup look, and then I realized I need to do a 2021 makeup look. I feel like 2021 kind of evolved a little bit with the whole makeup look. I'm really into what's in right now as far as, like, you know, the foxy eyes, the graphic liner, and I wanted to create my version of what 2021 makeup look looks like. Very easy to do. You'll see very simple, very basic items you have in your makeup stash. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a long-time watcher, you should be already subscribed, but if you're not, hit that little heart on the right corner of your screen. I post weekly, usually on Thursdays. I post new videos, and I'm going to give you a second to go ahead and subscribe now. If you guys want to see how I created this look and you want to see the tutorial, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so first thing first, I'm gonna prime. I'm trying this new e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. This has so much grip. It is amazing, you guys. I love this primer so far. I'm also using my color corrector palette from CoverGirl, of course, to color correct my skin a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and use this Tarte palette, old school OG palette. It's so good if you love neutral matte colors. I am applying this color on my crease. Now this look entails for you to apply your crease color a little above your fold. That's the most important thing. Placement on the lid is very important when it comes to this look. So wherever your fold is, go up a little bit higher. Now I'm choosing this brown right here to apply over the crease color. It's gonna look really deep and dark at first, but we're gonna blend it out. Blend it out. Now you just get like a fluffy brush, or even the one that you used for your crease, and just start blending that out, because you don't want it to be that dramatic. So you want to start blending it out so it fades a bit. Really pale, like eggshell, very pale beige, and I'm just going to apply that right there on my lid. Then I got the lightest color in the palette for the brow bone as my brow highlight, and I just placed it right there underneath my brows, and that's how you create this look. So now we're gonna go into the liner. I bought this gel liner because I used to use this way back, a couple years back. It's the Maybelline Lasting Drama gel liner. Comes in a little pot like this, and I found it in brown, which I am a big fan. You can do black liner, but I love the brown liner so much more for this look, because again, it's not that intense, it's softer, and I just feel like, in my opinion, it looks better, but you can use black if that's your thing. Let's see. So I'm gonna grab the gel liner with an angular brush like this, and I'm just gonna start stamping first on my lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into my palette because I want to soften the liner. I don't want the liner to be so defined on the lid area. So I'm gonna get like a brush like this, a really small, you know, shadow brush, just a really small flat shadow brush like this. Contour right here. And I'm gonna just kind of blend out. So that the liner doesn't look so harsh. And this is the reason why I like brown, because I don't want to make it look harsh already. So the brown is perfect, and I'm gonna like fade it out a little bit with this eyeshadow so it looks really soft. See how much softer this eye looks than this one? This is more pronounced. Let's go ahead and go on to skin, complexion. I want to use something very soft and natural. I really need to start using another foundation, but I really love this, you guys. The Morphe number 2 along with my NARS medium dark. This is the tint Glow. This is not really a deep color. Obviously it's a, you know, it's a nice bronzy color, but it has more shimmer, so it's good to mix. You can wear it alone, but I love mixing this in my foundation because it gives that nice glow to my skin. So let's go ahead and do that first. Gonna mix my Tarte and my Hydrating Camo Concealer. I used my obviously I used my cream contour from Fenty Beauty, just a cream base contour in Honey Glaze, but I went over it a little bit with my Marc Jacobs bronzer, and I really didn't use a blush. This is all bronzer, but I did get the highlight color from this old Too Faced Cherry Bomb color, this really pretty orange right here. It's a very shimmery orange highlight. That's what I used as kind of like a topper on the highlight area. So if you have something like that, great. But it isn't really, you know, kind of together mixed with the bronzer. It almost looks like a nice orange undertone blush. So I kind of like that. I like mixing my highlights with my bronzers to just give it like a topper, and I use my bronzer as my blush, if that makes sense. Love Honey Love from MAC. Let's just use a little bit of that. And I grab Bare Bling or Myth, either one, but I'm gonna use Bare Bling in the center. But I'm gonna use the extended play because I have my natural lashes. So the Kevyn Aucoin I use with my, well, I mean, I use them on my natural lashes too, but I like the Kevyn Aucoin with my faux lashes. I just love extended play with natural lashes because it's so small and it's easy to get every lash. And I love that. But again, I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm just gonna put a little bit like towards the end, kind of flare them out. You know, my lashes are not that long. I just don't want them to look weird with short, you know, and just mascara. So I'm gonna just put a little bit at the ends. I hope you can create this look. I hope you found it easy to follow. Let me know if you do create this. Please make sure you tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreation of this look. And if you love videos like this and you want to see more of 2021's makeup look, let me know down below as well. Share the video with a friend and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.